Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add languages in your LinkedIn profile. To add a language, first you need to click on the Me section here and go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, you just need to click on Add Profile section. And here you can click on Additional. Once you scroll down, you can see there's an option to add languages. Just click on this one. And now write the language that you want to add. You can select this one and now select the proficiency. I'm going to select the full professional. You can select according to your needs. Just click on save. And here you can see the save was successful. Just scroll down. And here you can see you have added your languages. If you want another one, just click on this plus sign and you can add another. Or if you want to delete the existing one, just click on the edit and again click on the edit, and here you can delete the language. So that's how you can add your languages in your LinkedIn profile. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.